Hi there, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video I'll show you how to replace the door glass on a Hoover Tumble dryer. Now during a cycle the door glass on your tumble dryer can become damaged from items such as zips or things in your pockets such as coins or screws. Now if that's the case with your machine, you're going to need to replace the glass to prevent any leaks or any further damage. Let's take a look. For this fix you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx screwdriver with a T20 head. And of course you'll need a new door glass, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Now safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the door glass we need to take the whole door off the tumble dryer. So we need to unscrew the two T20 screws on the door hinge and take the whole door assembly away. The door glass is sandwiched by the inner and outer door. So you need to separate those two parts by undoing all the T20 screws that hold them together. And then, using your Phillips screwdriver, undo the door catch or striker. You can then use your flathead screwdriver to gently separate the door pieces. Then, to fully remove the door glass from the door, we need to use our T20 Torx screwdriver to undo the 4 screws holding on the brackets to the door glass. The brackets are held on by these plastic lugs, so you simply gently lift them away. With the final bracket removed, the door glass is now free. To find the exact door glass for your tumble dryer, you're going to need to know the model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure about where to find the model number on your machine, check out our video here, which will give you all the information you need to know. To fit your new door glass, simply put it into place. Make sure it fits inside the plastic moulding of the door, and then you need to refit the 4 brackets in place and screw them in. Then you can fit the inner door with glass into the outer door, making sure that the hinge is in the correct position. Then refit your catch using the Phillips screwdriver and then all the T20 screws. You can then fit the door to the tumble dryer by simply slotting the hinge into position and then refit the 2 screws. So there we have it, how to replace the door glass on a Hoover Tumble dryer. Now that your machine is back up and running once again, why not give it a bit of a spring clean? Check out our video here, how to clean your tumble dryer, which gives you some brilliant insight in exactly how to clean your machine effectively and quickly. And of course, whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, repair guides and much, much more. Thanks for watching.